Hi, I'm Andy Chris. I'm from Madagascar and I'm a student in journalism and mass communication. To be honest, I came here with a camera and a dream, but what I found was so much more. This campus, it's massive, vibrant and filled with stories. Every Friday we're out on field visit, exploring, filming and reporting. It pushed me to step out, to learn on the go and to see India through a journalist's lens.
Hi, I'm Rufaro from Zimbabwe doing BJMC. What I love here is how much learning happens outside textbooks, from media labs to campus reporting. We got real exposure to the world of journalism. I have even picked up Hindi and Punjabi, enough for me to order my favorite dish, chalo bhature, or hold conversations with my peers. That's the magic of this place. It pulls you in and helps you to grow.
Hey, I'm Nofy from Madagascar, and my journey has been about finding creativity everywhere. From writing news pieces to discovering makeup and fashion as my passion. The garden spaces on campus, I go there often. It's where I reflect, dream and plan what comes next. I want also to start my own brand some days. Maybe even a fashion magazine of my own.
For me, the Fashion Society was a game changer. It helped me evolve, not just in appearance, but especially in confidence, presence, and purpose.
For me, it's radio. I want to be a photojournalist or a radio jockey. We got so many opportunities, live reporting, meeting professionals, and just learning by doing it.
And the university makes you feel like your aspirations are valid, no matter how different or bold they are.
And honestly, it's more than just journalism. It's about discovering a voice.
We came here to tell stories and ended up living on our own.